I got book mail. I think I got book PR package. Now, I don't know if I'm so red. Anyways, I don't know if I ordered this or if it's just randomly sent to me. Like, I don't know if I, like, signed up for it, if it was just sent to me. Anyways, it's super cute. I'm actually really excited for this. It's the Kinda Secret Pineapple Island Swingers Resort is what it's called. It's by Jade, Dolston. And this is adorable. It's got this cute little box going on. I'm pretty sure there's goodies in here. Oh, how cute. Okay, let me move the little paper stuff out of the way. Okay, so this is what I see. Okay, you know what? Hang on. I'm going to turn it so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so here's the box. I had to get the little paper out of the way, but it's got cute little pineapple, Team Pineapple, the Kinda Secret Pineapple Island Swingers Resort. It's got a cute little pineapple bracelet. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And then we have a cozy. Reno Swain, Defense Styles Brewers. We've got chips, and then on it says Reno's Guilty Pleasure Snack, which I don't even blame them because I like those too. Oop, there's a customer. Hang on. Okay, sorry about that. I gotta kind of get through this before another customer shows up. Juliet's Guilty Pleasure Snack. I love Starburst. And there's the Cheetos. There's some cute little knickknacks in here. Not a swinger. I just freaking love pineapple. I love this. There's a pen in here. And then at the bottom, oh, hang on. I love this box. It's so cute. At the bottom, it has some character art, and then it tells you about the resort. This is so cute. It's like a library card. And then you've got the book. So it's got a bookmark. I'm trying to open this one-handed. Sorry, guys. Alright. Dang. I'm trying to open this one-handed. Ooh. It's me. Hang on. Oh, so cute. This is a little thank you card for... Okay, so it is a book review thing. This is actually adorable. So it's good that I started sharing this and filming it. Oh, I love this cover. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, I love this cover. Okay, so funny story. She actually sent me a Kindle of this too. I think she knows that my physical copies are always just for my shelves. And then I read on my Kindle. But this is adorable. I have my Kindle with me, so I'm actually going to download this and start reading it today. So I will come back in the next couple days, depending on how busy at work I am, and I will review it and let you guys know what I thought about this. I'm so excited. This is adorable. It's got so many cute goodies and my cute little note. I can't wait to dive into this and read this. All right, guys, I'm going to go. Have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye, besties.